Hello boys and girls, welcome to the word study lesson. Yesterday we learned that a compromise is a type of agreement where both sides are happy. Compromise has 3 syllables. Com-pro-mise. When I mark the vowels, I can see that the first syllable has an O, the second one has an O, and in the third syllable I have 2 vowels, I and E. So com is a closed syllable. Pro is open because I have that O at the end of my syllable. And then mise will be VCE because the I is the vowel, S is a consonant, E at the end, and this E makes that vowel say its name, mise. Compromise. If I add my suffixes to these words, if I add the ing suffix, it will be compromising. And if I add the ed, which makes my verb go into a past tense, it will be compromised. So compromise, compromising, compromise. Today we have a new word. This word is represent. What word? Represent. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word represent. Represent. Represent means to go instead of. So I can say that I represent our class on the 3rd grade team. I might send one of you to represent our class in the office or during the morning announcements. Represent. So represent, like we said, we have 3 syllables. After we split the word into syllables, we need to mark our vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We put the dot underneath each vowel in the whole word. And then by looking at it, we can tell that the first one, rep, is a closed syllable. Re will be an open because we have that E at the end, so we can put open or we can just put a letter O. And the last one is sent, and this one is closed. So represent means go instead of. If I want to turn this word into a present tense, I add the suffix ing, representing. And if I want to turn this word into a past tense, I'm going to add the suffix ed, represented. Thank you for watching. Keep up the good work.